Good morning, friends. So today we are discussing about ninth class biology, fourth chapter, transportation through plasma membrane. So transportation means the movement of the substances from one place to the another place, either essential material or waste material or hormones, whatever may be, chemicals, food materials which are transported from one place to the another place. So here the transportation mainly occur uh, when you take the body of an organism. So each and every cell have a thin membrane below the cell wall. That thin membrane is called plasma membrane or plasma lemma or cell membrane, which is present in below the cell wall. So how the materials should be transported through the plasma membrane, now let us go to discuss. We know that all the cells are made up by these cells, and cell is the basic unit of life. Already we studied in first chapter. But here how the materials or substances passes through these cells, let us learn about. So how the materials get into the cell and go out of the cell, whatever essential material. Now here they given a table and what type of substances which are enter into the cell and go out of the cell. Let us discuss. Here in table 1 what we are observing, that substance can go into the cell, can go out of the cell. So first of all, the main important component, that is oxygen. So oxygen is needed by the cell to carry out work. So without oxygen cell will not survive. So that here to carry out functions by the cell, oxygen is needed, so that oxygen goes into the cell. Next go to the glucose. So glucose is the food material which provide energy to carry out work by the cell. So that glucose is needed by the cell, so that glucose is enter into the cell. Next go to the proteins. Proteins are energy giving substances, so that the proteins are needed by the cell, so that proteins also goes into the cell through the plasma membrane. Next go to the fats. Fats also provide energy to the cell to carry out work, so that fats also goes into the cell. Vital amines, nothing but vitamins. These are also essential by the cell, and these vitamins are required for the cell growth, so that these vitamins also goes into the cell. Next go to the minerals. Minerals also needed by the cell to carry out work, so that minerals also goes into the cell. Next carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide which is formed in the cell by utilizing the oxygen. So when oxygen is enter into the cell, it is consumed by the cell for several activities. Now the product is carbon dioxide, which is present inside the cell will be damaged, so that the carbon dioxide which is formed inside the cell must be sent outside of the cell, so that here carbon dioxide leave out of the cell. So carbon dioxide goes out of the cell. Here it is, keep in your mind, the carbon dioxide goes out of the cell. Next to go to the wastes. So after carrying out several functions by the cell, inside the cell several waste materials are formed in the cell. These must be expelled outside. so that here waste also expelled by the cell. So waste goes out of the cell. In this table we can find what we find out means the carbon dioxide and waste goes out of the cell, and other materials like oxygen, glucose nothing but carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, these are goes into the cell. Why? Because they are the energy giving substances, these are needed by the cell, so that they are goes into the cell. And whereas two components, that is carbon dioxide and waste, these are comes out of the cell because of they are the poisonous. If they remain in the cell will be damaged, so that cell will send out of the cell these materials, carbon dioxide and waste. So here there is a question, is there, and which substances are which substances can enter the cell and why? Which substances can go out of the cell and why? So here which substances can enter into the cell and why? So whatever materials which are enter into the cell, they are must and should needed by the cell to carry out several metabolic activities. That is the reason they are enter into the cell. Which substances can go? So whatever waste which are formed inside the cell, they must be go out of the cell. Why? Because if they remain inside the cell will be damaged. Can you name any other substances which can enter into the cell? So like enzymes, hormones are also should enter into the cell to carry out metabolic activities. So which substances can enter into the cell and go out of the cell? So mainly hormones, water, some of the chemicals like unimportant chemicals, they may goes out of the cell and into the cell. So here you know that cell perform different functions. So we know that already. Cell is the structural and functional unit of the organism. Why? Because whatever functions carried out by the cell and whatever functions carried out by the organism, they are depending on the by the cell. So when cell should carry out work, then organism should carry out the work. This is you have to keep in your mind. And all the materials which we discussed like carbohydrates, proteins, fats and other materials passes through the plasma membrane. So the main aim of this chapter is plasma membrane or cell membrane, which allow materials needed by the cell, which send out materials which are not